Ever wondered what makes selling real estate in Los Angeles different from other cities? Welcome to the world of glamour and grandeur, where the real estate market is as diverse as the city itself. From sun-kissed beachfront homes to opulent hillside mansions, Los Angeles offers a variety of properties that cater to different tastes and budgets. But what truly sets this vibrant city apart is the influence of the entertainment industry. The city is a magnet for celebrities, artists, and creative minds from around the globe, all drawn by the allure of Hollywood. This results in a real estate market that constantly evolves to accommodate the unique demands of its high-profile residents. And let's not forget the luxurious lifestyle Los Angeles offers. The city's world-class dining, shopping, and entertainment options make it a dream destination for many. Owning a property here is not just about having a roof over your head, it's about embracing a lifestyle that is the epitome of luxury and comfort. Intrigued about Los Angeles real estate? Well, you should be, as we are just getting started. Did you know that Los Angeles boasts some of the most attractive districts in 2023? Los Angeles, the City of Angels, is a mosaic of unique districts, each with its own charm. Let's delve into the special districts of Los Angeles like Beverly Hills, Hollywood, Downtown, and the Pacific Palisades that are making waves in the real estate world. First stop, Beverly Hills. Synonymous with luxury, this district is known for its grand estates and star-studded locales. Its prime location, coupled with its history of glamour and prestige, makes Beverly Hills a hotspot for real estate. Next, we turn the spotlight on Hollywood. Famous worldwide as the heart of the movie industry, Hollywood offers a blend of old-world charm and modern amenities. Its rich history, iconic landmarks, and vibrant nightlife make it a highly attractive area for real estate selling. Now let's head downtown. Once a rundown area, downtown Los Angeles has undergone a remarkable transformation. Today, it's a bustling urban center with an array of lofts, condos, and apartments. Its revitalization, combined with its cultural diversity and thriving art scene, makes downtown an exciting place for real estate. Last but not least, we have the Pacific Palisades. Nestled between the Santa Monica Mountains and the Pacific Ocean, this district offers breathtaking natural beauty. Its serene environment, upscale homes, and laid-back lifestyle make the Pacific Palisades a sought-after location for homebuyers. Each of these districts offers something unique. Beverly Hills with its lavish mansions, Hollywood with its iconic landmarks, downtown with its urban vibe, and the Pacific Palisades with its stunning natural surroundings. These districts are not just places to live, they offer a lifestyle, a status, a dream. The appeal of these districts lies not just in their location or features, but also in the lifestyle they offer. Whether it's the glitz and glamour of Beverly Hills, the history and energy of Hollywood, the cultural vibrancy of downtown, or the tranquility of the Pacific Palisades, each district provides a unique selling proposition for real estate. Indeed, these districts are the gems of Los Angeles real estate. Each one, with its own allure, contributes to the vibrant tapestry that is Los Angeles, and in 2023 they're more attractive than ever. So, you're interested in selling real estate in Los Angeles? Great, let's delve into it. The first step to selling real estate in the City of Angels is understanding the market. Los Angeles is a vibrant city with a diverse real estate landscape. From the luxurious mansions of Beverly Hills to the beachfront properties of Venice Beach, each neighborhood has its unique appeal. Understanding these nuances will help you position your property effectively in the market. Next, we move on to pricing the property right. This is a crucial step which can make or break a deal. Remember, overpricing can deter potential buyers, while underpricing can mean leaving money on the table. The key is to strike a balance. Research the market, understand the current trends, and price your property competitively to attract the right buyers. Marketing the property effectively is another important aspect. In the digital age, it's crucial to have an online presence. High-quality photos, virtual tours, and engaging property descriptions are just a few elements that can make your property stand out. But don't forget traditional marketing methods. Open houses, for instance, can still be a great way to showcase your property. Lastly, we come to negotiating the deal. This is where your skills as a salesperson truly come into play. Remember, negotiation is an art. It's not just about getting the highest price, but also ensuring a smooth and efficient transaction. Be prepared to handle objections and always aim for a win-win situation. Now, selling in Los Angeles is not like selling in other cities. The city's cultural diversity, its dynamic economy, and of course its world-renowned lifestyle make it a unique market. And with special districts like the booming downtown or the tech hub of Silicon Beach, Los Angeles presents plenty of opportunities for savvy sellers. Selling real estate in Los Angeles might seem challenging, but with the right information and strategy, it can be a rewarding experience. So brace yourself for an exciting journey in the world of Los Angeles real estate. Want to know the secret to successful real estate selling in Los Angeles? Well, let's dive right in. First, understanding your potential buyers' needs is paramount. LA is a city of dreams, and each neighborhood has its unique flair. So whether it's a startup entrepreneur looking for a modern loft in Silicon Beach or a movie star yearning for a Spanish-style villa in Beverly Hills, understanding what your buyer wants will help you present the right property to them. Next, let's talk about staging the property. Remember, you're not just selling a house, you're selling a lifestyle. Highlight the property's best features and make sure the home feels warm and inviting. Staging can be the difference between a quick sale and a property that lingers on the market. Thirdly, never underestimate the power of professional photography. High-quality photos can capture the essence of a property, making it irresistible to potential buyers. And in the age of online listings, a picture really is worth 1,000 words. Finally, consider working with experienced real estate agents. They know the ins and outs of the LA market, and their expertise can be invaluable. They can advise you on pricing, marketing strategies, and negotiation techniques, ensuring you get the best deal possible. With these best practices, you're now better equipped to navigate the exciting world of Los Angeles real estate. So go out there and make your mark. So, are you ready to take on the Los Angeles real estate market? As we wrap up, let's recall the unique charm of Los Angeles real estate, the lure of its special districts, and the distinct process of selling here. Embrace these best practices we've discussed and you'll be well on your way. Remember, every property has a buyer. It's all about connecting the two. So here's to your success. Happy selling in Los Angeles!